Welcome to Natural Nostrums. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that many health enthusiasts are buzzing about: the effects of eating 2 boiled eggs daily. Eggs are often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, and for good reason. Packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals, boiled eggs can be a fantastic addition to your diet. They are rich in nutrients like vitamin B12, which supports energy production, and choline, crucial for brain health. In this video, we'll explore how incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily routine can impact your overall health and wellness. Understanding our dietary choices is vital, as what we eat directly influences our energy levels, mood, and long-term health. So, whether you're looking to boost your protein intake, manage your weight, or simply make healthier choices, this video will provide you with valuable insights. Stay tuned as we break down the benefits and considerations of this simple yet powerful food. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming videos, and check out our gluten-free lifestyle guide for overall gut health. Boiled eggs are not just a delicious snack. They are also a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential nutrients. One of the standout features of boiled eggs is their impressive protein content. Each egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, which plays a crucial role in muscle building and repair. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine or maintain muscle mass. In addition to protein, boiled eggs are rich in vital vitamins and minerals. For instance, vitamin B12 is abundant in eggs and is essential for energy production and maintaining healthy nerve cells. Selenium, another key mineral found in eggs, acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your body from oxidative stress. Moreover, boiled eggs contain healthy fats, primarily monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which contribute to overall heart health. These fats can help improve cholesterol levels and support brain function. With such a diverse range of nutrients, boiled eggs are a smart addition to any balanced diet. When it comes to weight management, boiled eggs can be a game changer. One of the key reasons is their impressive satiety factor. Eating boiled eggs can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing the likelihood of snacking between meals. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to control their calorie intake without feeling deprived. The high protein content in boiled eggs also plays a significant role in boosting metabolism. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats and carbohydrates, which means your body burns more calories processing it. This thermic effect of a food can contribute to weight loss over time. Several studies have linked egg consumption to effective weight management. Research has shown that individuals who include eggs in their breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day, leading to weight loss. By incorporating boiled eggs into your diet, you can harness these benefits, making them a smart choice for anyone aiming to achieve or maintain a healthy weight. When it comes to heart health, boiled eggs often face scrutiny due to their cholesterol content. However, it's essential to clarify some misconceptions. Research has shown that the dietary cholesterol found in eggs does not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, for many, the body regulates its cholesterol production based on dietary intake. Boiled eggs also contain heart-healthy fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol profiles. These fats are known to support cardiovascular health by reducing bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol. Numerous studies have explored the relationship between egg consumption and cardiovascular health. Some research indicates that moderate egg consumption may not only be safe for heart health, but could also be associated with a lower risk of heart disease. By understanding the nutritional profile of boiled eggs, you can appreciate their role in a balanced diet that supports heart health while dispelling myths about cholesterol. Boiled eggs are not only a nutritious food choice, but also offer significant benefits for brain and eye health. One of the key nutrients found in eggs is choline, which plays a vital role in brain development and function. Choline is essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter involved in memory and learning. Consuming adequate amounts of choline can support cognitive performance and may even help reduce the risk of cognitive decline as we age. In addition to choline, boiled eggs are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful compounds are known to protect the eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. potentially reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Research has shown a positive link between egg consumption and cognitive benefits. Studies suggest that individuals who regularly consume eggs may experience improved memory and overall brain function. By incorporating boiled eggs into your diet, you can support both your cognitive health and your vision, making them a smart choice for overall well-being. While boiled eggs offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to address potential risks associated with consuming them daily. Moderation is key when it comes to egg consumption. Although eggs are nutritious, eating them in excessive amounts may lead to an imbalance in your diet or contribute to higher cholesterol levels in some individuals. It's generally recommended to enjoy eggs as part of a varied diet. Additionally, some people may have allergies or sensitivities to eggs, which can lead to adverse reactions. Symptoms can range from mild to severe, so it's crucial for those with known allergies to avoid eggs altogether. Moreover, while boiled eggs are a great source of protein and nutrients, they should not be the sole focus of your diet. A balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, is essential for overall health. By considering these factors, you can enjoy the benefits of boiled eggs while maintaining a well-rounded and nutritious eating plan. In summary, incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet can offer a wealth of nutritional benefits and positive health impacts. From their high-quality protein content that supports muscle building to essential vitamins like B12 and minerals such as selenium, boiled eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition. They can aid in weight management by promoting satiety and boosting metabolism, while also contributing to heart health and cognitive function through their healthy fats and choline content. We encourage you to consider adding boiled eggs to your meals for a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health. Whether you enjoy them as a snack, in salads, or as part of breakfast, they can be a versatile addition to your diet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these health tips. Stay tuned for more informative content that can help you make better dietary choices for a healthier lifestyle.